Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to use your school Chromebook as a second monitor for your desktop or laptop, like your own personal Windows computer. Sadly, the first app mentioned that we're mainly going to mention will only be working on Windows. But if you're an expert Linux user, Desk Green is the best alternative. Look it up. We're going to be using Space Desk. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to open your Chromebook, turn it on. You're going to want to wait for this to turn on. Now, as you can see, our Chromebook is now turning on. Now we're going to want to log in, like every Chromebook normally would. So now that we're doing that, now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to ask your IT guy for this. Sadly, you will need to ask your school IT guy if your Chromebook has Google Play Store to allow this app. It's called Space Desk. I will show you guys the app real fast. Basically, you go to Google Play Store, and you ask your IT guy to allow an app called Space Desk. I'll show you exactly the app, what it is, and it's really cool. It's honestly awesome. So we're going to want to wait. Oh. Yeah, my Wi-Fi. Okay. There we go. Try again. Okay, good. Now we're connected to Wi-Fi, to our home network. So, you see this. Space Desk USB display for PC. This is what your IT guy needs. This is what you need to get your IT guy to allow. Right over here. So, once you get that, you're going to want to open the app. This will bring you to this screen. Now you want to install the exact same thing on your computer. On Windows, it's very easy. I will show you how.
So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to your web browser. I personally use Vivaldi, but you can use anything you want to. Okay, now you're going to want to search up Space Desk right on the internet, using your desired search engine, Google or DuckDuckGo, whatever. So, now that you are here, you're going to want to go to spacedesk.net. This is the software you need. You click Driver Available for Windows 10/11. Now, you click for your own operating system. Windows 10, 32-bit, 10/11 ARM64, 10/11 64-bit, whatever. You click that. Now, once you click that, you're going to want to run the executable file and install it like a normal program. So, after that, you're going to want to go to the Space Desk Driver console. That's the app it gives you. Now that you've done that, you're going to want to turn on the Space Desk driver. I'm not turning this on. I personally don't use Space Desk. So, yeah. Now, this will work over your local area network really easily. And I'll show you when we go back to the real-time recording.
So now we're back over here. So, you see your Space Desk viewer over here. And my computer is already showing up here. Connection, blah, 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 blah. Let me see. Yeah, that's the connection. So you're going to want to click on connection and see your computer's name, your operating system, and that. If that is it, and you realize it's it, you click on it and connect. Now, as you can see, my computer monitor has just been connected to something. What was it connected to? I wonder. Oh yeah! It's a second monitor. Now you can use your school Chromebook as a second monitor for your computer. So, this works really well for literally almost any Windows installation. It's awesome. It's literally awesome. Like, let me get this off me. Okay. So, as you can see over here, we have our Windows, and yeah, I put it a bit sloppy, but I think that's okay. So, as you can see, our monitor works with the other computer, and it works completely fine. That is how you turn your school Chromebook into a second monitor for your personal desktop computer. Hello.